Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayat number 233 of Surah Al-Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والوالدات يرضعن أولادهن حولين كاملين. والمخرج of واو circle in your lips فتح open jaws attach with lam will get صفة of توسط. ومخرج of واو is circle in your lips, make it 2 counts long. Li, focus to give E sound. The sharp sound, make it 2 counts long. Two, for the circle lips, the sound is short. Your, yeah, is light. For the circle lips attached with raw will get sip of the wasut, and raw will be heavy because there is the ma before it. Your, where, Dwad is heavy, focus to give E sound attached with ein, and ein will get sip of the wasut, and it should be from middle part of your throat nicely. Na, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Ow, hamza is sharp, and this wow is lean. When you're attaching fatha with wow, you're making it soft. Ow, la, 2 counts long. The, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hun, for the circle ellipse attached with noon will get sip of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. How, ha, middle part of your throat, and ha is has humps. Fatha open jaws attached with wow. This wow is lean, so when you're attaching fatha with wow, you're making it soft. How, lay, ya lean, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with ya. Lay, ni, focus to give E sound, the sound is short. Ka, kaf is light, make it 2 counts long. Mi, focus to give E sound. Lay. Because of this fuck, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad lean. When you find a harf lean before the temporary sukoon, then this will be mad lean. Li, focus to give E sound. Man, for fatha upon jaws attached with noon will get sifa of the wasut, and hukmuhu idhar. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws. Ra is heavy for and make it 2 counts long. Dal is sharp for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. I, for fatha upon jaws, and then there is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. You, yeah, is light for the circle lips, the sound is short. Tim, for kasra give E sound attached with me will get sip of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Maru, keep meme light, but raw will be heavy because there is fatha on it, and then raw will get sip of the wasut too. Raw is with fatha, the sound is short. Raw, and it is heavy. Oro, do is heavy, make it 2 counts long. This alif is heavy too because it is attached with heavy letter. Do, ein from your throat nicely, and when because of the spark you're giving sakoon here. This sakoon has turned this ta into ha, and ha will get sifa of rakhawa. ومخرج of واو circle in your lips فتح open jaws. عين from your throat فتح open your jaws, the sound is short. لل فتح open jaws attached lam will get sip of the wasut. Mau, meme is light, and this wow is lean. When you are attaching fatha wow, you are making it soft. Mau, lu, for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Di, for kasra give E sound. La, for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Who, for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Riz, ra is light, for kasra give E sound attached. Za will get sifa of rakhawa, it has sapir. Riz, off is heavy, for the circle lips, the sound is short. Hun, for the circle lips attached with noon will get sifa of gunna, it has Unna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na. Fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Wa. Makhraj of waw is circling your lips. Fatha upon your jaws. Kiss. For kasra give E sound attached with sin. Sin will get sipa for khawa. It has sapir and it is light. Kiss. Wa. Makhraj of waw is circling your lips. Fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Two. For the circle lips, the sound is short and sharp. Hun. For the circle lips, as attached with noon. As you will touch noon, your lips should be in a straight position, and then it has gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Will. For kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Ma. For fatha upon jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut, and I should be from your throat nicely. Uruf. Because of this fuck, we are giving sukoon here, temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lit sukoon. You are giving sukoon here, so fa will get sifa of rakhawa. Now, la, 2 counts long. 2 for the circle ellipse, the sound is sharp. Kel, for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Fu, give hams in fa. For the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Naf, for fatha upon jaws attached with fa. Fa will get sifa of rakhawa. Sun, for the circle ellipse, the sound it has tawassut and hukmahu with idhar. Il, Hamza is sharp, for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La, 2 counts long. Wus, makhraj of waw circling your lips. For the circle your lips attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of tawas rakhawa, and it has safir and it is light. Wus, ain from your throat. For fatha upon jaws. Ha, 2 counts long. La, 2 counts long. 2 for the circle lips, that is sharp, no flow of sound. 2. Dod. Dod is 6 counts long. Because this Sakune Asli has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 6, that is why it has turned into Mad Lazim, and Mad Lazim is always 6 counts long. And then you will give number on Ra. Ra, Ra. For fatha, the sound is short and Ra is heavy. Wa, makhraj of waw circling your lips and make it 2 counts long. Li, for kasra give E sound, the sound is short. Da, for fatha, and for fatha open jaws, the sound is sharp and short. Da, tum. You are changing the sound of ba into meme. Tum. The ruling over here is iqlab. You're changing the sound of tanween, noon into meme. You're changing the sound of noon into meme. Tum bi, for kasra give E sound. The sound is short. Wa, makhraj of waw circling your lips. For fatha open jaws. La, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Di, for kasra give E sound, the sound is short. Ha, 2 counts long. Wa, makhraj of waw circling your lips. For fatha open your jaws. La, 2 counts long. Mau, makhraj of waw circling your lips, and this waw is light. This waw is lean. So when you are attaching fatha with waw, you're making it soft. Mau, lu, for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Dul, this is idgham without gunna, so you're not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Dul, la, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hu, for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Vi, for kasra give E sound, the sound is short. Hua, makhraj of waw circling your lips, for fatha upon jaws. La, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Di, for kasra give E sound attached with ha. Ha will get sukoon because of this bak, and ha will get sifa of rakha because it is with sukoon now. Vi waladi. Wa, makhraj of waw circling your lips, for fatha upon jaws. Ain from your throat, for fatha upon jaws. Lal, for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. ومخرج of واو is circle in your lips, make it 2 counts long. ري for ra is light, whenever ra is with kasra, it is light, make it soft, make it short. ري ثي for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Mith for kasra give e sound attached with tha will get sifa of rakhawa. Mith. What is the mechanism of making rakhawa when you are placing your upper part of your tongue, the upper part of tip of your tongue will be placed under your frontal teeth. You keep the makhraj engaged for a while to create this rakhawa. Myth lu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Leak for kasra give e sound attached with kaf. Kaf will get sip of hums. Leak. Give hums in fa for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. In for kasra give e sound attached with noon, and here noon will get tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Fa in hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws. Ra is heavy, make it 2 counts long. The 2 counts long, and dal is sharp. Fi give hums in fa for kasra give e sound. Sad is heavy, make it 2 counts long. This alif will be heavy too because this is attached with heavy letter. Len tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Ain from your throat nicely for fatha upon jaws, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. Your mouth should be and your tongue should be very close to the makhraj of ta while you are pronouncing ikhfa. Ta for fatha upon jaws, the sound is very sharp for ta. Ra is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Lim is heavy, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Min for kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Hu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. Huwa makhraj of waw circle in your lips for fatha upon jaws. Ta very sharp sound for fatha upon jaws. Sharp means there is no flow of sound. Sha 2 counts long. Wu makhraj of waw circle in your lips for dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Riya ra is light, whenever ra is with kasra, it is light, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light too. Your upper teeth should be close to your lower lip to get the position of to pronounce fa. Fa. Give hums in fa for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La 2 counts long. Ju for the circle lips, the sound is short. Na 2 counts long. Ha for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short, and ha should be from middle part of your throat. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lay, yeah, this is jalin, so make it soft, and you're attaching fatha with ya. He for kasra give e sound. Ma 2 counts long. Wa makhraj of waw circle in your lips for fatha upon jaws. In for kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws. Rawat for fatha upon jaws. Ra will be heavy, and for fatha upon jaws attached with ta, ta will get sifa of shidda. No flow of sound at all. Rawat 2 for dhamma circle lips attached with meme. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position, and you will give tawassut. Hamza is sharp, and then you're giving ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. Your tongue should be close to the makhraj of ta when you're pronouncing ikhfa. Sorry, when you're pronouncing ikhfa, your tongue should be close to the makhraj of ta, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Tas, ta, ta is sharp. Tas, and sin will get sifa of rakhawa. It has safir and it is light. Ta is sharp. Fatha upon jaws attached to ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut, and ra will be heavy. The God is heavy for kasra, give E sound, the sound is short. Ru, Ain should be from your throat and the long vowel should be from your jaw. Make it 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil jaiz. Ow, Hamza is sharp and this vowel is lean. When you're attaching fatha with vowel, you're making it soft. Ow, la, 2 counts long. Da, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Kum, for the circle ellipse attached with meme will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Fa, give hamsin fa for fatha open jaws. La, 2 counts long. Ju, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Na, 2 counts long. Ha, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. A, Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Lay, Yailin, when you're attaching fatha with ya, you're making it soft. Kum, for the circle ellipse attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut. E, for kasra, give E sound. The, 2 counts long. Sell, for fatha open jaws attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Lam, for fatha open jaws attached with meme, meme will get sifa of tawassut. Tum, for the circle ellipse attached with meme. This is idgham shafawi, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, mad, munfasil jaiz, make it 4 counts long. 2 counts long. Tay, Yailin, you make it soft when you're attaching fatha with ya. Tum, for the circle ellipse, as you will teach meme, there is ikhfa shafawi. You keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because it has gunna. Tum, bil, for kasra give you sound attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ma, for fatha open jaws attached with ain, ain will get sifa of tawassut, and ain should be from your middle part of your throat. Uruf, because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat lis sukun, and fa will get sifa of rokhawana because it is with sukun. What makhraj of our circle in your legs attached with ta, ta will get sifa of shidda. Sifa of shidda means there is no flow of sound. What ta, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Allah, Qaf is heavy. Lafz jalala will be heavy too because there is dhamma before it. It is not any more long because this qaf is directly attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala is always long. Allah, ha, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Wa, makhraj of waw circle in your lips. For fatha upon jaws attached with ain, ain will get sifa of tawasut and ain should be from your throat. La, for fatha upon jaws. Mu, if you yes, this is mad mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long. And hamza is sharp, fatha upon jaws attached with noon, noon will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Now law, noon is light, blush jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Lafz jalala is always 2 counts long. Ha, for fatha upon jaws. B, for kasra give E sound. Ma, 2 counts long. Ta, ta is sharp, for fatha upon jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut and ain should be from middle part of your throat. Ma, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Lu, for the ma circle left, make it 2 counts long. Na, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Ba, ba is light, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Sleep. Because of this fuck, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madaris sukun. Now this raw will be light because when you are giving sukun, raw will be light because you can find ya before it. And sad will be heavy. والوالدات يرضعن أولادهن حولين كاملين لمن أراد أن يتم الرضاعة وعلى المولود له رزقهن وكسوتهن بالمعروف لا تكلف نفس إلا وسعها لا تضار والدة بولدها ولا مولود له بولده وعلى الوارث مثل ذلك فإن أرادا فصالا عن تراض منهما وتشاور فلا جناح عليهما وإن أردتم أن تسترضعوا أولادكم فلا جناح عليكم إذا سلمتم ما آتيتم إذا سلمتم ما آتيتم بالمعروف إذا سلمتم ما آتيتم بالمعروف واتقوا الله واعلموا أن الله بما تعملون بصير سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.